Hi everyone, welcome to this unboxing. Today I'm opening a Neewer tripod. This is a 2-in-1 tripod, meaning it's a tripod and a monopod. It can easily convert, and it's got a video head on it. So let's have a look what's inside. I'll just show you the label. So that's the product and that's the box you probably saw, and I'll just open it up. Might come down to the floor so we can see it a little bit better. So it comes with a carry bag, which is quite handy if you need to take it somewhere. Put that there, and it's got a little strap, just a double zip locks there. I'll open it up. And inside we have a tripod, of course, and some bits and pieces. So that's the little arm that will drive the head, and some instructions. Just show you those. And the back. And let's have a look. And there's some Allen keys there, just to adjust things. So the tripod folds up, as you can see, sort of backwards. So the legs come out that way. It measures, I think it's 45.5 centimeters folded up, weighs around 1.9 kilos. So I'll just unfold it for you, and then we'll go through some of the features. So the legs just come round that way. I wonder if I need to move back a little bit, and I'll stand it up. So if you just have a look at the legs here, I'll maybe run down from the legs up. So we've got 4 sections. So I picked this one specifically because I'm not a fan of the turning ones. I prefer the clips. So I just know when it's clipped in, it's definitely clipped in. I've had some problems with the other ones where you might not have tightened it and then the leg comes out. So just easily undoes like any other tripod. We'll just keep it secure at this point. This leg is actually the monopod leg, so it unwinds, and this then converts onto it. But I'll show you that in a minute. Let's just continue on. So to loosen the legs, you just pull this out, and then the leg can wind up or go down, whichever way you want, and then you just press it in and it'll lock into the next position. So sorry, I didn't press it in there. There you go. So that's pressed in, and then you can do the same for those ones. Once you lock them in, they just got little teeth there. I'll bring it up so that you can see. Just a little lock there that the teeth lock into to keep the legs straight. We'll just do the same on that one. And then moving up, we've got, I'll just quickly undo this. So this controls the height of the tripod in this column. And this column is also reversible, so you could have the head underneath here if you're shooting something down on the ground, which is really handy. And underneath this pole is a little clip, which you can put a weight on, which is quite handy. I find that I usually put a weight on all of mine at home just to make sure that they don't fall over. And then as we work our way up, we've got the head, which unscrews if you need, or screws down if you're using it. And on the side, you've got both sides that this can attach to, either that side or that side, depending on whether you're, which hand preference you have. And that just screws into here pretty quickly. And you can have it down or up. I prefer to have it this way, but it's up to you. And once that's locked on, you can then loosen this side, which gives you the movement allows you to move the head, and you can also loosen this one, which allows you to turn the head. So that locks the turning and that locks the panning. And then as we move up to the top here, you've got the plate for the camera. You just loosen this screw on this side. That allows it to move that way, and that's good for balancing because this head returns to the center, as you can see. So as I let go, it will return to the center. So if you balance this out, it'll sit nicely in the center. And to take the plate out, you loosen that as well as press this switch. So there is like a security switch here. So once I press it, this can release. And you've got a choice of the 3/8 and quarter screws as well. So take one out just by moving that off. And what else do we need to look at? We need to look at the monopod, so I'll secure that back in there. Okay, so we'll have a look at the monopod next. So we need to take the leg off and the head off. So we need to just unscrew this head and take off this nut and bolt, whatever we call this, and then also release this leg, which unscrews. And that leaves us with this screw, which goes into here. And then the head returns to it. And then we've got a monopod, which is pretty cool. So, and that extends all the way out, obviously. So you can balance your camera just on the one leg there, which gives it a little bit of stability this way so that it's not completely shaky. And of course it's got the bubble level there so that you can make sure you're horizontally straight, and a nice sort of grip there as well for your hand, like a rubbery grip. Yeah, so that's it. I hope that review was helpful. You saw the tripod in action, and as I said, you can reverse this head as well, sorry, not the head, this center column, so that you've got it going the other way around, that way, and you've got your camera pointing down, which is quite handy if you're doing some shoots that require the camera just to be down, because this doesn't come with an arm as such, so you can't extend out. So that's about it. I hope that was helpful. If it was, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I'll see you soon. Bye.